requirements, and are there any points that a BA should know?
Yes, there are main three key points that BA should know, because when the sales team get the client on a first call, so it's very important that BA will attend that call properly. So here I will explain what are the key points that make your meeting effective. Let me share some detail with you before we go ahead with the key points. First, we should know what type of client exists in the market. The first one who has a detailed requirement, they have their own documents and Figma and graphics, everything. Second one who has a overview of the project. Let's go ahead with the key points. You should know where exactly this requirement came from. Let's say your client running business, or maybe they're having any issues in real market, that will be anything. So you try to understand the background story of the project, but you don't force them if they are not comfortable. Moving forward to the second point, you should know target country of your client. Let's say your client target only one country, for example USA, then system will be in English. But suppose they are targeting multiple countries, then system will support multiple languages and their currency. Last but not the least, you should know the user role in your project, because based on the user role, you need to identify which user role is using mobile application, which user role is using desktop application. Even it can be varied by different audience, because some of the country audience are more comfortable to use mobile application, but some of the country they are more comfortable to use desktop application. After knowing this point, you can go ahead with in-depth discussion with the client.
What do you want to say about technologies?
For technologies, I believe that it is good if we get idea about different programming languages. For example, if they, for example, web application, so they should know what are the different tech stack available for the front end side or back end side. Even same for the mobile application. So it will be helpful. We hope you find this video helpful. If there is any point that you want to discuss in detail, please let us know in comments and we shall come up with the detailed video.